everyone, here's how you can make a shadow work embroidered star. And I sat down and through some trial and error figured out this method. So first I'm pulling out one strand of DMC embroidery floss, and it's color 817 if anyone is curious. And then I am knotting one end of the strand and threading the other end through a sharps needle. I basically always use a sharps needle or a millimeter needle. I'm not sure how to say that. Millimeter needle, I don't know. But I use those two types unless I'm doing silk ribbon embroidery. Those are my favorite. So using an embroidery hoop is a personal preference here. I think it makes it a little bit easier to get those stitches laying flat without pulling too tight on your fabric. But whenever you use an embroidery hoop, you want to be extremely careful that you're not stretching out your fabric. So you can stretch it when you put it in the hoop, so you want to see some give like I'm showing here. You don't want to just pull it all the way into smithereens. But you can also stretch it if you stitch with your fingers on the back side of your work, kind of poking through at the fabric, if that makes sense. Just be aware and be careful, because if you end up stretching it, unfortunately all of your hard work, all your embroidery work, it'll just look like a hot mess. It'll just be all sort of bubbly. So to begin, I'm starting at one point at the start and stitching about 1/8 of an inch or so. Oh, and I'm also rocking my littlest one right now. He's about 3 weeks old in this video, so I'm trying my best with the footage, but bear with me. I only have so much time and opportunity in the day. So then I take my needle to the opposite point of the star and do the same 1/8 inch stitch. Now going back to the first part, now I'm working the back stitch, and I continue alternating in this manner until both of those sides are complete. And I repeat the same thing to the other sides of those points. And now you can see how the shadow effect is starting to take shape. So once I'm done with those 2 points of the star, then I move on to the third and fourth point, and same sort of idea. I'm going down one of the sides, alternating between sides using that back stitch, and then I go down the remaining sides again using that back stitch, alternating back and forth. And now I'm left with this last point, thanks to that whole odd number thing. So for this point, I alternate between its own sides, and when I'm done with those stitches, you'll see that I have this gap in my shadow. So basically this is a make it work situation. Basically what I'm trying to say is I turn my work to the wrong side and I weave my thread until the gap is full. I'm just faking the shadow work here, but it'll look fine from the right side and no one will ever know. It'll be our little secret, okay? So there you have it, a shadow work embroidered star. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I will do my best to answer them. And as always, I appreciate y'all for watching and I hope to catch y'all next time.